It's super insane, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it totally for free. Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to get Tinder Gold for free in 2025. So let me just open up my Tinder app and show you. This is actually the Tinder Gold mod. So when I go over here, guys, as you can see, when I go to upgrade to Tinder Golds, I can do it for free with developer account. And this is because I'm in the mod. So I'm going to turn it on and let's see if it makes me have Tinder Gold. So as you can see, it says verifying eligibility. So let's see if it works, guys, and then we will have Tinder Gold for free. So yeah, all right. So yeah, it was activated. All right, unlimited likes, skip the line, all this stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get Tinder Gold for free, just like that. So the first thing is gonna be going onto Tweak Mod and then type in Tinder. And this is the mod, so press install, and before it downloads there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and this will install the Tinder Gold mod into your device. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second for it to load up. Alright, so let's just give it a second for this to load. And we're going to be all set, guys. So let's see what happens. Alright, it's loading up right now. So now we just got to do the verification, which is pretty easy. Just got to download 2 apps and follow instructions. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. So you just want to pick 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 10. And then we got World Winner. Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. There is a video you can watch right here, but this will give you the Tinder Gold for free, unlimited likes, passport, skip the line, all this stuff, guys. So get the word out. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get Tinder Gold for free, and peace out.